ow. Okay, ow. I actually got, oh my god, I cut myself. Ah, I'm bleeding. Hi everyone, my name is Adela Fleming and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and give it a big subscribe. Okay, that sounds so fake. This is my first Mac laptop ever. I've been wanting one for the longest time, so I'm very excited to be opening it in front of you guys and sharing how that goes. So I got here 2 days before the actual date. I kept putting it off to the side. I didn't look good, or if I get home and I want to take a nap, I take it off because I don't like sleeping with my makeup on. Whenever I would be like, oh, it's time to film it, I would have no makeup on, and I'm just tired of that. I want to use my laptop already. Sorry if I sound manly. Getting kind of sick. I think it's a cold. Don't be mean in the comments. You know when like you're used to seeing someone with makeup and then you see them without makeup, they ask you like, oh, are you sick? Are you sick today? And it's like,
oh no, I'm just not wearing makeup.
So yeah, I've been really like stressed, or not stressed, but I've been really busy with, you know, homework, school, life, and that's pretty much why I haven't been getting a lot of sleep, and that has made me sick. Okay, so I have a question for you guys. I keep like buying memory cards. I'll take a lot of pictures and video and then it runs out. I buy a new one and it's getting pretty pricey. So what do you guys do? Transfer everything from like the memory card to a storage device and then delete everything from that memory card, reuse it, or do you just go out and buy a new one? Because that's what I've been doing and I feel like there's another solution. I looked up videos on YouTube and I couldn't find anything with my particular question, so let me know please. I really would appreciate that so much, so please let me know in the comments if you— oh, my scissors. I'm ready. I'm ready to open up the boxes. Oh, I almost hit myself. I'm so excited to finally open this box. It's been there for like 3 days and I want to use it already, so I'm just so excited. Alright, let's get started. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is taking so long. I didn't expect this. Should I do the big— let me get the big one out first. The big box. Oh, I don't want to show my address. I won't be showing that. Ooh, you have to be careful with this. You don't want to cut yourself. Ow! Ow, ow, ow. Okay, ow. I actually got— oh my god, I cut myself. Ah, I'm bleeding. Can you see that? I'm bleeding. Oh my— I was just talking about how to be careful with this scissors. Can you see this? Ow, it really hurts actually. Getting so bad. I'll be back. Oh my gosh. How in the world? Ah! I know what you're thinking. I know it's like not the right size. It's for like your knee, but it's the only thing I could find. I know I look like the Grinch, but guys, I don't know if y'all have seen like that carpool karaoke, and there's like this one that he did with Ariana Grande and she like cut her hand. Remember like before she posted the actual like carpool karaoke, she had posted like the bandage. I actually feel like her right now. Like I know I'm obviously not Ariana Grande, but this is like what happened. Like I swear I did not do that on purpose. I mean, some people do for like clickbait, but no, I had no intention of this happening. This has never happened to me before, so yeah, be careful with scissors. This is the first time I ever opened something like on camera. I guess I was nervous or something. I don't know. That slipped and you can see the blood like through the band-aid. Anyway, let's get to the good stuff. What we're here for. So excited. Don't need that. Not anymore. Can you see this? Alrighty then. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I see it. I see it. Oh, I almost dropped. Here she is. MacBook Pro. Okay. More scissors. More scissors. Yay. Just kidding. It's fine. It's not that bad. It wasn't that bad. It could have been worse. Like my injury. I can't even breathe right now because I'm sick. Oh my gosh. Hallelujah. 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 Oh. Ow. Wow. I'm sorry. I've never like— here I am. I'm just gonna take this peel off now. Okay. As you can see, this space gray model. 21. Alright, that's that. There she is. Of course, the charger. You know what? Let me show you the settings and everything so it'll be a little journey for us. I'm excited. I also got the 3-year insurance plan. You always want to be safe just in case it stops working or something. You just ship it back. The USB Type-C to A adapter. This model doesn't have the USB input. It only has 2 on the sides and the headphones one on the other side. I need to get more educated on that because I wish that it would have stayed as like the Ultra models. I heard that like the 2015 Mac laptop was like the one to get and that it was really hard to find now because it has more inputs even though it's a little slower. I'm rambling right now, but yeah, I got this. I hope it fits for like a USB if I want to like plug in my camera. That way I can transfer photos and videos. I'm getting a call right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. That's so cool. I actually got like a FaceTime call, but I saw it on my phone and on my laptop. So I can FaceTime on here too. That's awesome. I was like, whoa. Like I saw myself on both screens, like my phone and the laptop. That was pretty cool. I heard that the pics are pretty good, like the resolution. I haven't taken any pictures yet, so I don't know about that, but we'll see. Another thing I bought is a case. You know, you gotta protect it. You want to make sure it's safe and sound. Oh, it's the 2015 model. What the? And I think this is the 2018 model. I don't know if this is the one that I needed. Oh no. If it doesn't fit, I'm gonna be sad. We'll see. Should I just like rip it open? It's just like, oh, the sides, like I said, the inputs are different than the older models. Well, I'm not mad, I'm like disappointed. I thought it would fit. Obviously not. You know, the 2015 laptop is bigger than the case isn't gonna fit. I saw like 13 inch, so I was like, oh, the 13 inch will fit the 13 inch laptop. I'm gonna have to return it. Anyway, that's all that I have to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Ow, my leg. Let me know if you like this video. If you're still watching, let me know please in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.